Do you hear that noise? That non-stop noise? I've heard it every time I come to Washington. Late at night, I hear this noise constantly, never ending. Let this damn car pass first. Shit. One of those three-wheeled cars. Interrupting my damn sound. I think that's it. The Turnage Theater. Turn that fucking shit down, please. I'm trying to hear my fucking sound, son of a bitch. Fucking loud ass fucking shitting ass car. God damn it. There it is. Can you hear that fucking noise? What is that noise? I think that sign's making the noise, but why? How is that sign making the noise? These used to bother me. This used to bother me when I heard sounds that I could not find out what was causing them. I remember watching Gunsmoke when I was 4 or 5 years old. They were on the prairies or somewhere at a house, and there was a noise. And it bothered me. What's making that noise? Because I couldn't see anything on the TV making that noise. What is that damn noise? Constantly, non-fucking stop. God damn it. I used to, when I'd be riding with my mom, and way in the distance I'd see a water tower. It bothered me because I always wanted to see what the water tower stood. To know that it was not just floating in the air. As if to know that. I wanted to see where the ground on which this water tower stood. What is that damn noise? You son of a bitch. Shit.